is tutorial number 28, and in this tutorial I'm going to continue talking about the draft tool. So now let's activate the draft tool, and this time I'm going to choose parting line. The parting line, it works most like slicer. So now we can choose the direction of the pole and here the parting line. So now let's choose this edge, and for the parting line can choose this edge, and here we see the direction of the cut. So let's press OK. So now we have 45-degree drafting line. So let's apply it one more time. Draft parting line, and let's apply it on this edge, and the parting line, this line. Let's change this line and this line. So here we can change the direction. Let's apply. So now we have this shape. We can edit feature and change the direction. Apply. So now I can close this tutorial about draft parting line.